Hi guys! Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a bullhead. I know it looks lame, but just look at it. So let's start. So the pieces you need are 1 by 1 with these stuff that can hold flat 1 by 2s, as you can see. One by 2s, except they're not flat. 1 by 3s, which are peach, plus they're flat. Finally, a 2 by 2, which is not flat. So, let's start with making our bullhead. So, first you need to get these 1 by 1s, put them here, and now we have to get our peach 1 by 3s. So, we put the 1 by 3s here to make the horn. So we're done with the horns. Let's just do the other few steps. Now we have to get these 2 by 1s, place them together. Now we have to get the horns, like this. You may make a little mistake here. It's okay, guys. But if you want to do it perfect, then you could just do this. So yeah. It takes a while to make this actually. But maybe you could just make it straight or this. Yeah. So we just need 3 more steps until we're done. Now we get these 2 by 1s. Actually, another 2 by 2, but we don't have enough Lego. So now we get our 2 by 2 and add it right here. Can you see? Of course you can. Or maybe not. So, and now the last step is, well, the last one now. Place it here. We're done with the bullhead. Doesn't it look amazing? If it does, then please make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any videos that we make. Anyways, bye!